the highway because it's busy in the highway, your father said. Did he answer the phone when you rang? What did he said?
Okay.
Captain is already there. What kind of... Could I have this?
You won't like it.
What's the flavor?
No, don't. You won't like it. I told you.
Ah, doesn't taste. There's no
It's
sugar.
just tea. Well, I didn't tell her to put much sugar in. Very little sugar.
Much better, that one. There is some round thing. What's that?
It's jelly.
Ah, jelly. It's like the coconut flavor. Don't eat some with coconut something, Mark. It will suddenly your tummy is especially in winter, Mark. It's cold. You better have some only tea without that coconut. Coconut make your tummy scramble. Then you go to the toilet. I bought a wardrobe, Mark. You know, that's good. A wardrobe, medium. I bought a medium, Mark. I don't know what size he is. He's not really that fat.
Who's this for?
Slim. That's for the 80 years old. That's when we're going on Sunday.
Oh yeah.
So there are lots of food. Lots of food. I don't know. I will not.
Sticky rice?
I will not demand on that, Mark. I know they cook everything with it. You see? Very nice. It was $20, Mark, and they sells to $5. It was $9 and they put in $5. It was $20. If it is 20, this one I will not buy it. That's the only one left. This is a unique one. That's why I like it. Nice. Very nice. The necklace is gone since they said it's been sold out.